Okay, so my parts came in from Rock Auto. I'm changing out my PCV valve and the hose tube that goes with it. Now the reason I'm replacing these is because I've been getting the codes P0174 and P0171, and after doing some research, a crack in this tube or a faulty PCV valve is the most common culprit for those codes. So let's see how hard of a task this is. Now the PCV valve appears to be in a wonderful spot on this car. That's the hose right there. And it actually goes under that wiring harness and into the, whoa, can't even find it on the camera. Aha! You can see the clamp right through there. That's where it goes into the throttle body. So, this is going to be fun. I'm going to get the clamp off this guy. Remove the negative battery terminal. So after removing the air intake housing and mass airflow sensor, I have a little, which wasn't too difficult by the way. I get a little pair of pliers. Maybe the little guys can do it. Aha. Ah, yes. Well, for those of you who are wondering what just happened, because you can't see, the vice grips are now clamped onto the clamp holding it open so that I should be able to remove this. Oh yes, that was so simple. Aha, so the easy part's done. Yeah, it's kind of scary thinking about that. Now we get to the PCV valve. Ah. Ta-da! This. Oh, that right there is what can definitely throw that code saying it's running rich. It collapses this tube, therefore it can't draw air through there anymore. Gets bad computer reading. Boom. Yep, so we're replacing that guy. And while I'm that far, I'm going to go ahead and try to get out the PCV valve. Okay, now I'll attempt to get this other part of the hose off of the okay. Oh yeah. Gotten much later in the day.
Is this new?
Yep. You should look at the old one, then you'll know why there's a problem.
Oh. It's... yeah.
Look at that! The homemade PCV socket for a 2000 Ford Taurus. You can get one at somewhere. Your local garage sale. Just fit right in there. Like so. Anyway, then we'll put the new one in before it gets too dark. So we take the new one and we fish it in that little hole. Yep, fish it in a little hole. Here we go. Shazam! For this gizmo. And most PCV valves are way easier to get to. Just saying. There it goes. Bingo.
Did you want that to fall down?
Yep. It was a clip holding the clip open, so that made it easy to go on. If that makes any sense. There. That's done. Now I gotta put it all back together. That'd be a good time to put in a new air filter if you hadn't done so already. Battery terminal back on.